Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to solve Leetcode daily challenge problem number 2108. Find first palindromic string in the array. So we're going to check out the problem statement first, and then we'll look into the approaches which we can use to solve this one, and towards the end we'll see the code as well. So starting with the problem statement, it is given that we'll get an array of strings, words, and we have to return the first palindromic string in the array. If there is no such string, return an empty string. So they have also defined what is a palindromic string. So a string is palindromic if it reads the same forward and backward. For example, in this case we have ADA or a race car. So no matter if you start reading it from forward or from the last, from the end, it will end up being the same. So that's why these are called palindromic strings. And we have to find out the first palindromic string from the array. So there are majorly two approaches which we'll be discussing in this explanation. First one using two pointers. So in this approach, what we will do, for example, we'll take ABC, let's say. We have A, B and C. I'm gonna keep a pointer at the start and at the end. Okay, for example, we have 0, 1 and 2 indices. So I'll initialize the pointers with 0 and 2, and I will check for each of the moves we will make, which will be incrementing in the left pointer and decrementing in the right pointer until they meet each other, or left is smaller than right. Okay, so these will be the steps which will be taking at each step, and we will check if the characters here are characters pointing, or the pointers pointing to the characters are same or not. For example, in this case, A is not equals to C, so this is not a palindrome, okay. But if you take ADA, okay, ADA, you start from here, right? You said okay, 0, 1, 2 left, let's say L and R. So character at L is equals to character at R, right? So if it is equal, then what we will do, we will just keep on checking, and we will increment 1 in it and decrement 1 from the right pointers, so the both will end up being on the same character. So of course, like, it will be same, and this condition will still hold true. Let's take one more example of race car, because it's a little longer string, which might will help understand it better. So RACECAR. So we started from these 2 points, right? R same. What we will do, we'll update the pointers. AA same, okay. Again we'll update the pointers. CC same, and we are at E now. So this is also a palindrome. Okay. So this is the first approach which we can use, and we will just simply iterate the given array, and we'll just simply iterate the given array and see if and check for the first string, which is palindrome. In the other approach, what I'll do, I'll just simply iterate the whole array, and we will try to figure out the first string, which if I reverse gives the same result. For example, if you result ADA, it will end up being ADA only, right? So this is what we are looking for. Race car will be race car only. Race car is race car only, right? But if you'll try to reverse ABC, it won't be equal, because it will be CBA. So this is the second approach which you can use. Let's check out the code for both the possible solutions. Okay, so here's the code. For the first solution, what we are doing, we are iterating the complete array, and starting with 0, and we have our end pointer at the last index. Okay, I'm using this additional variable to keep a track of if the string is palindrome or not, or if we want to further process it or not. Okay, so what we are doing, we have a while loop, and this runs until our start pointer is less than or equal to the end pointer, and the string is palindrome at the current moment. Okay, so we are assuming that okay, this string is palindrome, but we will just keep on checking it. So as soon as I find any character, like the current character which my pointers are pointing to, and they are not same, I'll just simply say okay, this is not a palindrome and we need not to process anything further. Okay, and this was the steps which we were talking about the pointers. In the left pointer or the start pointer, we are incrementing +1, and in the end pointer or the right pointer, we are decrementing -1. And if we were able to successfully complete this whole loop and the value of palindrome is still true, then we can simply return the word, or at the end we can simply, like, if if we are not able to find any solution after iterating the complete list, we will simply return an empty list. Okay, so let's check out this solution first. So these were the test cases, and if you see, the test cases got cleared with the first solution which we tried. Okay, now let's try the other solution which we discussed. And in the other solution, what we are doing, we are just simply iterating the array and using this trick in which basically reverse the string, and we are checking if the actual string and the reverse string are same. If yes, we are returning the word, otherwise we will return the empty string. Let's check out the test case, like if it will be able to clear the test cases or not. So yeah, same results, like we were able to clear the test cases. Let's submit the second solution for the further evaluation, and the solution got accepted. And like I would say, like, we have performed very well. We have outperformed around 80.10% of submitted solutions. So yeah, this was the solution, guys. Thanks again for watching other videos. Stay tuned with the upcoming ones. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.